Introducing Custom Printer Templates in GrabCAD Print Pro. The Custom Printer Template incorporates the powerful tools of GrabCAD Print and GrabCAD Print Pro to define the build envelope for other powder bed fusion (PBF) printers, automatically repair faulty models, specify general spacing and custom spacing between models, pack important parts first, nest your parts and avoid interlocks, export the geometry in your nest, and import it into your target application to slice and send to your PBF printer. To create your custom PBF template, start by clicking on the printer field to expand it. Find the Custom Template section and click the Add Custom Template link. The Add Custom Template dialog opens. Give your template a descriptive name. I typically use the printer model name so it's easy to identify later when I have multiple templates. Now enter the build envelope dimensions for your PBF printer. These values define the available printing space, so make sure they match your machine's specifications exactly. Now enter the default shrinkage compensation values for your material. These values help account for how much your parts will shrink during the printing and cooling process, critical for maintaining dimensional accuracy. Finally, set the origin for your custom template. This defines the 0 point when exporting models for use in target applications and printers. Make any last changes to your custom template. Click Save to create your template. The custom template is added to its folder in the printer panel. Like any printer in your company account, a custom template printer may be favorited. You may also view their details and delete them. Click on the custom template printer when it highlights in blue to start planning your nests. The tools available for use with a custom printer template are the same as those for a Stratasys H350. Enter analysis mode to view models with errors and repair them easily. Use GrabCAD Print Pro abilities like the split tool to divide models too large for a single build envelope into several models for printing. Use Hollow and Lattice to lightweight your part by create a cavity using Hollow add a honeycomb lattice to improve rigidity. Remove faces for powder removal after printing. And labels to add part numbers, label templates to add serial numbers with full control over the font and font size, as well as whether the label is embossed or debossed. The custom printer template also includes more PBF-focused tools like packing one or more nests, prioritizing parts for nesting, assign custom spacing to specific models, update the default shrinkage values, fill a nest with a specific part, or fill it with a variety of parts. When the nest is packed and validated, choose Export. All the parts inside the nest are selected automatically. The nest may be output as a single file or as multiple files that are properly oriented and positioned in space. Both STL and 3MF file formats are supported. Export, as uses the origin defined for the custom printer template, or you can choose another. Click Continue when you're ready to export your nest. When exporting as multiple files, there is an extra step to choose your target directory. Your files are now ready to import into your target application, slice, and send to your PBF printer to complete the job.